Hello viewers, I welcome you all to your own channel Korobidas the Educator. Those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel to get the latest CBSE updates and many other educational interesting videos. Today's topic is going to be very important, mainly for the students, those who are going to appear for their board exam. So before we start with today's topic, let me tell you, so as we organized one Children's Day program on 14th of November, so I asked you one question at the end of the program and I got very good response from your side. So as I told you, 3 lucky winners will be selected, and out of those 3 lucky winners will get a gift from our side. So and the result will be announced on Saturday. So those who have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe so that you get the update in time. Okay, so we are going to start now. How to prepare for your term 1 exam to score 100%. At first, prepare a timetable for exam which you are going to appear according to your convenience at home. Right? That means at home also you have to appear for exam as you'll be going to appear for your board exam. Same way you have to appear for the exam at home also. So as you know, reading time is given this time 20 minutes. So in that 20 minutes, you have to plan your paper. Now I am going to tell you how to plan the paper. Very important. Listen to it carefully. I have given just an example. I have taken suppose 10 questions. In the test booklet, these are the question numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you are going to read the question paper, that time what you are going to do, suppose question number 1, you are sure you know the answer. So in that case, you can mark any symbol. You can use any symbol according to your convenience. You can give double tick also. I have given like this 2 dash. That means I am confirm of this question number 1. Then again question number 2 also I am confirm. Question number 3 also you are confirmed, right? Question number 4, I have given only 1 tick. That means you have little doubt. Half part you know, half part you do not know. Okay. The next question number 5, you do not know the answer at all. You don't have any idea, right? So you have given one cross mark here. Then again question number 6, you are confirm of the answer. So again double tick. Question number 7, you do not know anything. So one cross before that. Question number 8, you are confirmed, you know the answer. Then number 9, again you have little doubt. Half you know, suppose half you do not know. Then number 10, again you are confirmed. This way if you, because in the question booklet, you can use anything. You can use pen or pencil, that's up to you. Only you are not going to use anything in the OMR sheet. Okay, you are not supposed to use pencil or you are not going to write anything on the OMR sheet. But in the test booklet, what you will be getting, there you can mark the question numbers or like this. Okay, because let me tell you, if you mark like this, then that way when you are going to do the sums after reading the question paper, that time as soon as you see the tick, suppose here 2 ticks are there, that means you know, yes, I know this. So that one you are going to do, and after getting the answer, you fill the circle in the OMR sheet. Clear? Then after that, suppose question number 4 you have come. 1 tick is there, leave that question. Number 5, you do not know only, leave that question. Again, number 6, double tick is there, do that sum, you'll get the answer. After getting the correct answer, you fill the OMR circle. Okay. Number 7, leave it. Then next you will do number 8 because you are confirmed of this question number 8. So after getting the answer, again you'll fill the circle. Yes. Then number 9, leave it. Number 10, you know the answer, complete it, fill the circle, and don't forget to write the correct response in the box, also a square box. Okay, that part, for that already I uploaded one video on important updates of CBSE. You can go through that video again if you are not clear. Then after finishing all these confirmed questions, now you are going to do the questions which you are half sure and half suppose you do not know. That means question number 4. Okay, this question you'll try. Maybe at last you'll get the correct answer also, who knows. Yes, then question number 4 you will try. Then after that question number 9 you will try. Then this way, wherever that single tick is there or any other tick according to your convenience, but fix it. Now only you confirm that. For confirm questions you are suppose giving double tick. Suppose which you are half confirm and half not confirm, you are going to give single tick, and which you are not at all confirm, you are going to give a cross mark before that. Okay, then you have done 4 and 9 half confirm questions. Then at last you are going to do this 5 and 7. This one simply you can guess because you cannot do anything. Read the question, no problem. Again you read the question, so at least you can do something. So you can guess the question and don't leave a single question because negative marking is not there. Okay, it may be correct, it may be wrong also, no problem. You just circle according to whatever you think. Suppose A is correct answer, you circle A. Clear? So 5 and 7. So this way what will happen, this is going to help you to save your time also during exam. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now definitely this is going to help you. This way you are going to plan your paper. You can try. Okay, now when you are going to how you are going to prepare for your exam before these exam days. Okay, these days are very, very crucial. So I have given here minimum 3 sample papers. Sample papers are available in the website also. You can go through anywhere online. So many sample papers are available. So according to your subject, you can take out the sample papers, take a printout of that. And OMR sheet also, what you are going to do, already you have come to know the format of the OMR sheet also. So that type of some OMR sheets you can take a printout, tell your parents to take a printout for you. Okay, so those things you have to keep ready. Now next, sample paper 1 you are going to appear. Timing according to your convenience you can take, because I'm not going to tell you. Suppose you are going to sit for 2 hours, you are not going to means after appearing for 1 hour you will go somewhere. No, it should not be. As you'll be appearing for your final board exam, same way you are going to appear here also. So sample paper 1 you have taken, then time is 2 hours, you have to sit for 2 hours, and marks 40 marks. And what are the things required? These things are very, very important. Water bottle you keep ready in case you feel thirsty in between, you'll feel like drinking water. Okay, then watch, which is very, very important. Then sample OMR sheet, as I already told you, take a printout of that. Then black or blue ballpoint pen, yes, anyone according to your convenience. Then you will see after appearing for this exam, you can correct. Answers will be available in the online also. You can go through the answers, you can check yourself the paper, or you can give your parents to check your means OMR sheet. Anybody can check, that's not a problem. Just this, because these are already means options will be given, so it is not very hard for your parents also. Just you give them the answer key so that they also can correct your paper. Then first, after appearing for the first sample paper, what you will see, maybe you are getting 25 to 30 range. Okay, I'm just telling from my experience, 25 to 30 marks you are going to get. Then same way again you are going to appear for sample paper 2. Yes, time again you are going to sit for 2 hours, marks total 40, things required the same things you are going to keep ready. Then next, after appearing for the sample paper 2, what you will see, you can see little means improvement in you. That means you will be getting 30 to 35. Let me tell you. Yes, you will get, definitely. The next sample paper 3 you are going to appear same way, you are going to sit for 2 hours, then marks 40, and things required the same things you are going to keep ready. Yes, you are not going to go somewhere in between the exam. You have to be sincere when you are going to appear for exam also at home. Then next, third exam, after appearing for the third sample paper, you will see marks obtained, you will be getting from 35 to 40. Yes, you may get 40 out of 40 also. And when you are going to prepare the timetable for this revision sample papers, okay, yes, when you are going to appear for the sample papers, one day you appear for only one subject. Suppose maths you are appearing first day, then again one day gap you give, then next day suppose science you appear for one science sample paper, again one day gap, then again some other subject. That way you can do, you can prepare the timetable. Clear? Okay, definitely these things are going to help you. Then next, very very important for your exam. Now on exam days, I am talking about the exam days. Things to carry. What are the things you are going to carry with you? First of all, the admit card. Already you will be getting from your school. Number 2, black or blue ballpoint pen, minimum 3. In case if one is not working, so that you need not take any tension because you have 2 more pens with you. Clear? Then again next, water bottle, which is very very important. Then masks, all of you know pandemic season is going on, yes or no? So you have to wear masks. This is very important. Sanitizer, again very very important. You have to take care of your health also so that you do not fall sick. Then clipboard, it's up to you. If you think it is important for you, then you can carry, and if in case I have missed some things to carry, then you can add with this also. Okay, then whatever came to my mind, I have written all those things here. Then after entering school campus, I'm talking about now exam days. You remember, after entering school campus, as soon as you enter the school campus, you are not supposed to talk to your friends. Yes, very very important, because if your friends ask you something which you did not study, then you will have tension in your mind, because you'll be thinking of that, and back of your mind you will develop a fear and you will not be able to concentrate in the exam properly. Is that clear? So this is very important. You are not going to talk to your friends. Okay, then next, after entering examination room, okay, I have written, find out your place and close your eyes and pray to God for 1 minute. Take a deep breath. Okay, then you just see, if you pray to God, this is going to give you strength to concentrate in your exam, and you think that you are going to give your best and you know everything. Clear? Then last point, number 3, very very important. Read the instructions carefully given in the question paper. Very very important. Read the instructions carefully given in the question paper. And as you know, as I already told you, you'll be getting 20 minutes time for reading the question paper. Then now already you have come to know how to plan your paper. Accordingly, you are going to implement. So you are tension free now because you know how to plan your paper. And when you are going to read the questions very, very carefully. Sometimes we do not get the correct answer because of not reading the questions correctly. Everything is hidden in the question itself. Clear now? So these are the important points I wanted to share with you all. Definitely these things are going to help you to score full marks in exam. So I have written also here, believe in yourself. Self-belief will help you to develop your confidence. And all the best for exam. All of you will do well in exam. Don't take any tension. Yes, now already I have uploaded videos on suppose important CBSE updates, effective study timetable, how to fill the OMR sheets, also how to overcome the fear of maths, because some of you will have fear of maths also. So if you did not go through the video, link will be given in the description box also. You can go through those videos. Hardly 5-10 minutes you can find out from your time, from your schedule, because whole day you are not having your schools. What I feel, in most of the schools, classes are not there. Now you are not having your classes, so you'll get whole day, so you can find out 10 minutes, 5 minutes from your time. You can relax also, you can watch the videos also, you will learn many things. Okay, if you think the video was informative, please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the latest update. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep smiling and take care of your health.